This is a special report, stock market, bear market timing. A look at the stock market and the correlations to high-yield corporate bonds. We'll look at that ETF, that is HYG. I'm going to start out quickly by showing you a chart here that's pretty unusual, as it shows you a comparison between the S&P 500, that's this blue line over here, and the HYG, the high-yield corporates. And what you can see in here is this red shaded areas, which shows you every time there was a big decline in one or the other, well, they move down together. You could see every one of those shows you the strong correlation between the stock market and HYG. That's really important when you look over here, because you could see right now, of course, they're both falling very hard. That means if you can time one, you can time the other, and I'm going to show you HYG now on our weekly chart. This is cycle analysis. If you're brand new to this, these half moons on the bottom, we call them cycle brackets, and that shows you the timing. In other words, the money flows of the market as money moves in and money moves out. And you can see that right in here, how clear that is, as each of these going, well, this is 2022, 23, 24. You could see the beautiful rhythms that are in here. Now, what I want you to see here is the timing that shows you that this decline, if it follows the same pattern of money flows, takes you out into this May-June period. Now, we were looking for the same thing in the stock market, a decline into May-June, and of course, that's come true right now as the market has just absolutely come apart. So that means if we can look at this and compare the HYG to the stock market, we should be able to confirm that timing. Let's look at SPX, the S&P 500, and this is our weekly cycle analysis in the S&P 500. Each one of these yellow areas are where there are periods of risk for corrective periods, as you can see, where money flows out in the minor or dominant cyclical period, and that's what we have right over here, where the market is just absolutely coming apart in free fall fashion. This decline is timed into the ideal trough for the low over here into May or June. That's the same thing as we're looking at in HYG. What does that mean? It means if the market tries to rebound in here, which it's likely to do because it's pretty oversold, it's pretty likely to get sold off again, and hard. We're not looking for a low in the stock market until we get into this period in May and June. That means rallies come and they fail. Important to remember that as you look at your own holdings. If you didn't lower your risk, you may get an opportunity to, but there is definitely risk out into this late spring or early summer period. That's the SPX, S&P 500, compared to the high yields. I want you to know that right now, we're just this week preparing a special. If you're interested in that cycle analysis, you can learn my method of analysis, which I developed over nearly 50 years. It took 2 years to write it and over 6 months to produce, and there are 26 video modules, and plus many other videos included in there. It's online lifetime access, and no special platform is required. You will never look at charts the same as you did before. This will improve your directional decisions, and you'll be able to project in time and price. We have a special discount going to start this weekend. If you want to get ahead on that information, write to Matt at AskSlim.com. Thanks for listening.
Well, I'm going to sit and I'm going to do a silly show.